All right, so we're going to go from that 7 billion people. So I'm going 7 billion people in the world. Then they're going to say trying to fit in. I'm going to step back on my right foot and push forward with my hands. Trying to fit in. All right, so let's see that again. 7 billion people in the world trying to fit in. Then they're going to say keep it together. I'm going to take my hands in front of my chest, so it's going to look like that. And I'm going to imagine like I'm kind of putting on a vest. Boom, bah. So I'm stretching and putting it in front of me. Keeping it together. Keep it together. All right? So we go 7 billion people in the world trying to fit in. Keep it together. Then he's going to say, smile on your face even though your heart is frowning. I'm going to go smile. I'm going to take my hands and cross it right over left. I'm going to spread it out to the left side. Smile on your face. So when he says on your face, I put my hands in front of my mouth. So smile on your face even though your heart, I'm going to drop those hands down, even though your heart is frowning, I'm going to go frowning. So it's going to feel kind of similar to when we did under pressure, but it's more of a flick. Frowning. Boom. I'm doing that with my right side. Frowning. So let's try it. Look at that again. Smile on your face even though your heart is frowning. Alrighty? Then he's going to say, but hey now, you know, girl, we both know it's a cruel world. So I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to look to the left and I'm going to do some of those little body rolls like, hey now, you know, no. So he's going, but hey now, you know, blah, 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 you know. Then when he says, we both know it's a cruel world. We both know. I'm going to be doing this to the left. I'm going to be putting my right foot across my body towards the left and doing a little cross action here where my right hand is on top and my heel is out so that I can glide it to the front. Boom! There we go. So I'm going from here. We both know that when he's going to say it's a cruel world, I'm going to unwind my hands. My right hand is on top. I'm going to put my foot down. It's a cruel world. So let's look at it again. So I've gone, but hey now, you know, blah, 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 blah. Kind of echoes a little bit. He repeats a couple of things. Then it's going to go, we both know it's a cruel world. And I'm going to uncross, push it down. We both know it's a cruel world, but I will take my chances. I'm going to bring my hands together, and I'm going to go shoulder to shoulder. Left, right, on, but I will take my chances. But I will take my chances.